So, hello, dear lovely friends, once again in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, dear lovely friends, today I am going to Brahmaputra River with my nephew. So we are going to Brahmaputra River because my one rice seedlings. So I fertilize this field. So friends, don't skip in our English blog video. So I share with you full details. So actually today I came here because on our seedlings fields and rice seedlings. So hello dear friends, finally I came here at this moment and start my work. So my work is my in our paddy field and rice seedlings, and start my work watering my rice seedlings. So let's get start. So as we can see, my behind side in our rice seeds, and another size another person rice seedlings and paddy field. So let's get start in our work. So dear friends, actually I came here. Actually today weather is very cloudy and very foggy. Nowadays weather is very foggy, and also today is very foggy. So I came here my own work. At this moment I working in our rice seedlings. You can see guys, in our rice seedlings I am watering in our rice seedlings. So you can see guys, I am watering in our rice seedlings. So actually our paddy field and rice seedlings so very bad quality. So I decided to our rice seedlings I fertilizing at this time. Today I fertilize one in our paddy field fertilizing. Today I came here because in our rice seedlings quality very bad quality, and I decided my paddy fields and in our rice seedlings quality very bad. That's why I came here. 1 kilogram fertilize. Yes, I am fertilizing in our rice seedlings. Today our work is completed, and now I am going to my home. So actually walking the Baluchor. So today weather is very foggy. So and nowadays weather very cloudy, as well as today weather is very foggy. So you can see my behind side, all around side my Baluchor. So very amazing feel, I think very amazing. So that's all about I. Right now I am going to my home, and with my one nephew. He's 10 years old, and he's studying class 5, and we are going to my home. So that's all about. Thank you.